So today we are moving on to our third set 2 sound. But first of all, we need to recap our set 1s. I've only got half of them here today, so it should be nice and quick. Off we go. Brilliant, well done. And let's have a look at the 2 set 2 sounds that we already know. We've got this one, which is A. A, may I play? A, may I play? And then we've got the sound that we did yesterday, which is E. E, what can you see? E, what can you see? So I'm going to hold up a sound and you say what the sound is. E, what can you see? E, what can you see? A, may I play? What's this one? Well done, it's E. And this one? Well done, it's A. Brilliant, well done. So let's move on to our new set 2 sound. And this one is really, really interesting because it's not a digraph. How many letters can you see here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. We've got an I, we've got a G, and we've got a H. So this is not a digraph, this is something called a trigraph. And a trigraph is when you have 3 letters making one sound. So we've got an I, a G, and a H, and they come together to make the sound I. Your turn? Well done. So I'll point to me when it's my turn, I'll point to you when it's your turn. I. 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 Well done. And the sound is I, and the rhyme is fly high. So it's like a kite flying in the sky. So let's say the rhyme. Fly high. Fly high. Brilliant. So the sound is I and the rhyme is fly high. Okay, so if I show you this side, I would like I. If I show you this side, I would like fly high. Let's pop it behind my back. I. I. Fly high. And the last one. Fly high. Brilliant, well done. So, the sound is, well done, the sound is I. And let's see how we're going to write this sound today. So, we have to keep our pen on the paper for longer today because there's 3 letters. Remember, it's the trigraph and there's 3 letters. So, we will go. Up we go, down the insect. Can't dot its head yet because we have to keep our pen on the paper. And then we go round the girl's face, down her hair, give her a curl, and we curl all the way back up so that we can go up we go, down the horse's back and over his back. I said that wrong. And then we can dot the I. So let's do that again, and I'll say make sure I say the H is rhymed correctly. So up we go, down the insect, round the girl's face, down her hair, give her a curl, up we go, the horse's head, down to his hooves and over his back, dot the insect's head. Okay, let's see if you can do it this time. Make sure you keep that pen on the paper and don't forget to dot the head on the insect. Brilliant. What was the rhyme? What was the sound again? I. Excellent. And who can remember what the rhyme is? is fly high. I fly high. Right. Freddie, are you ready to do some Fred finger reading? Brilliant. Let's get those Freddy fingers ready. And we will start with this word. I, high. And you join in with me this time? I, high. And on your own? Hi, well done. Let's try this one. N, I, t, night. Join in with me. N, I, t, night. And on your own? Night. Well done. And let's do, this one. I, t, bright. And join in with me. I, t, bright. And on your own. Bright. Well done. We have to remember to put that in there for bright. Like the light shines bright. 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 And the last one for these. This time I'm going to let you read it on your own. Let's pop it up here. Can you see it better up here? I'm going to let you read it on your own this time. Wonder what that word is. See if you can read it again. Might. Well done. The word is might. So now that we've done our Fred fingers, we need to nod the sounds out. So remember, nod in your head. When I push it forward, you say the word out loud. Got stuck on my chair. Right, let's go. So nod. Might. Hi. Bright. And the last one. Night. Well done. So let's say our words quickly. So this time I'm going to say the word and you say it quickly after me. Mixing them up so in different orders. Might, light, fright, high, bright, night. Well done. Are you ready for your challenge today? So I'm not going to show you the sound buttons. I'm going to see how many you can say quickly. You ready? Off we go. Brilliant. Give yourselves a pat on the back for challenging yourselves. Okay. So now that we have read the words at speed, it's time for us to write some words with our I sound in. The first word that we can write together is the word high. High. Let's spread talk that together. I, high. So we need, I'm going to do that a little bit bigger so you can see it on the screen. I. And let's put our sound buttons underneath. So we would need a dot under the And we need a long line today because there's 3 letters making our sound. So we'll put a line underneath the I. And we've written the word I, high. Okay, your challenge now is to write the word light. And Fred, talk it first. Light. And once you've Fred talked it, you can write it down. You can pinch it out on your fingers. Light. And once you've written it, don't forget your sound buttons. Light. Light. Brilliant. So let's see how we write it. Light. 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 And I'm going to pop my sound buttons underneath. A dot for the a line for the I, and a dot for the t. And you can tick or fix it if you need to. And well done, you've written the word light. What was the sound that we've been learning today? I. And what is the rhyme? Fly high. Brilliant. Brilliant. Well done. See you soon.